How to set up your SUP and paddle with Goose Hill. First things, what's in the bag? We have a repair kit, a how-to guide, a fin, a pump and hose, a 3-piece paddle, a leash, and of course your board. First thing we're going to set up is our pump. We're going to make sure the red valve plug is in there. Screwing the hose into the inflate side of the pump, we find our pressure gauge on the top. We then attach the pump to the board, making sure the valve is in the upright position on the board, and we start pumping to about 7 psi. You're going to find this is going to take us a few minutes of work. Okay, once we get to 7 psi, we're going to take the red valve plug out of the pump and continue pumping the rest of the way to 12 to 15 psi. Final few strokes easier with that red valve plug out. Okay, turn the board over, we attach the leash, we slide the fin in and the fin clip, and the board's good to go. With our paddle, 3 pieces, we attach the bottom 2 pieces by clicking them in. We slide the top piece into the top there, and size wise, let's go for about 6 inches above our head to start with. We can always change that later on when you're paddling. And once it's all locked off, ready to paddle. Goose Hill logo to the front of the board. Once we've finished paddling, we're ready to finish. Push down on the valve and twist to the right to deflate. All the air will start coming out of it. Finish getting the rest of the air out with our pump. Put the hose onto the deflate mode. And pump the remaining air out of the board. Ready to fold it now. Folding nice and easily towards the end. Final 2 folds back on itself. So we can then squeeze it over and get our leash around the board there. Stash the board on top of the gear in your bag. Pop it in there, zip it up. Job's a good one.